Alright, good morning everyone. As we celebrate the Literacy Month, Kindergarten Immaculate Conception will role play a story. So sit back and relax as we watch and unfold the story of the lunar sea. Once there was a small brown seed born. She was living alone by herself. One day, the sun came down to her and said,
Knock, knock. Hi, little seed. I'm Sun. I want to come in. I make you feel warm. No, I don't want your name. Leave me alone.
the sun went away. Next day, rain came. Rain said, the rain went away. Then wind came. They tried to push and open the door of the seed house. Wind said, the wind went away. Days passed. The seed feel lonely. She realized that it's better to have friends. Then she think about the sun, rain, and wind. That she wish.
I wish to make friends with sun, rain, and wind.
The sun, rain, and wind hear the seed wish. They agreed to make friends with seed. The sun gave her light. Rain poured her water. And wind gave her air. Days passed. The seed grew into a sprout. And the sprout blew into a beautiful flower.
Hala, doon na kayo.
Her friends were so happy. Moral of the story, surround yourself with friends who genuinely support you and appreciate